Right guys, day 2. Well, I've had some helpful comments because I'm still getting my head around working on this one. But I did swing it over a few times yesterday and it wasn't firing. And the general consensus is that these magnetos are pretty reliable. Because I did have a magneto on my Manco remagnetised, and quite honestly it changed the engine completely. It fired up all the time after that. But people seem to think that these ones are really reliable, and it's more likely that this one's igniter needs taken out and cleaning, and it's quite an easy job. So I'm not going to video actually doing it, but that's what I'm going to do now. It's such an easy job. These are quite basic engines and easy to work on. The big chunky nuts and bolts. You're not going to, unless you're a hooligan, you're not going to thread anything like this. So I'm going to take this off. Once I've got it on a bench, I'll do a video of cleaning it up, and yeah, and we'll see how it goes. And then I'll give it another go at cleaning it. Yeah, I'll sort of get my head around it. This seems to be an update. This part here. Someone left a comment saying this is a anti-hunting mechanism. So I didn't know about that. So thanks for mentioning that. I did know about putting petrol in top of the carb first of all. So I'll go give that a go, which I did do yesterday. Actually, yesterday, top of the chimney, I did actually see vapour coming out. So I thought that we were getting there, but no spark. This, I know this has to be on that side. I've got the clips out there, and it looks like the running position for the magneto setting is here, and the starting position is here. Because I watched a few videos myself, and I can see that this handle was in this position for general running. So I'm guessing that that's the position for starting. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to take this off now, and then I'll put it on a bench, and we'll see how we go. But hopefully this afternoon, we'll get it going. Cheers, guys. Right, there's the igniter. Well, it took a couple of minutes to get it out. No problems. A little bit oily and greasy. You can see the gasket's not a lot of good. It looks like a bit of a copper band around there, but it's gone. But the compression seemed okay. I'll make up. I've got some gasket material. I'll make up a gasket. It don't take much to make gaskets on these. Yeah, I suppose it needs a bit of a clean up. It's not. I wouldn't say it's caked or anything. A bit difficult, but yeah, let's see. That's what happens. It just goes like that. Literally just goes like that. It creates a spark. But I'm going to give that a wire brush or a little bit of emery, clean it up. It's a bit. You can see the fuel was getting in there because it's moist. So if we can get the spark sorted, she'll go. Yeah, so nothing too concerning there. I know that these are the insulating. There's plenty on there. They go right through. They would be in there as well. There's some as on the Manco. My Manco's got them as well. So that's your insulating. So I can do a test on that to make sure that it's not earthing out anywhere. But I'll check that. We'll give it a clean down. We'll put it back on, and we'll see if we get any joy. So I'll leave it there for now, and I'll clean it up. Right, so now we're doing the test on the igniter to see if it actually sparks after cleaning it. What I've got is 12-volt battery, rather large, but that's all I had. A normal coil, which come off of a 1968 Austin Healey. I know it works because I changed the car to electronic ignition and put a new coil on it. Then I've got the igniter. Excuse me. I've got the 12 volt plus going from the battery to the plus on the coil, when the minus of the coil is going to where the LT lead from the magneto would connect. So that's how that's part wired up. Then I've got the minus of the battery going to the body of the igniter, and that's just clamped. That's the clamp there, it's just to hold it tight because there's nowhere to screw it to. So now all we have to do is flick the igniter and see if we get a spark. I don't know if it's showing good on the video, but sparking fine. Actually a very good test. So what I'll do tomorrow, if I can't sort out the magneto and find out what the problem is, I will wire this up like this and see if we can get it running off of the battery and the coil and the set it off of there now. So good test. It might come useful to someone. I was helped by some friends on how to do it, but it proves a point that gap, that connection there, the join, is clean enough to spark. So we'll leave it there, and I'll add this to a little bit of video. So you're gonna have a video with like loads of little bits because there's a different test that I'm doing. But yeah, so I'm pleased with that. That is a successful test.